Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have Glossybox. I'm so excited. I'm trying to be quiet because the baby is asleep in the next room, so I'm trying to be a little bit quieter than normal. Oh, it's the Zoeva box. I was expecting the October box, which is like the magical spellbook ones, but this is the Zoeva box. Very excited. I didn't think I was getting this one. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Lucy, how's it going? Glossybox is sent to me in PR by Glossybox for free to review, which is super exciting, but that is why I didn't know what this box was going to be. So this is a limited edition, but they do the most amazing beauty boxes every month. There's lots and lots of different ways to pay. You can do it monthly, you can do it on a year one, you can do 3, 6, 12 months, however you want, and it will get cheaper the more you subscribe. I have a discount code which is just loose, which I'll put on the screen and link down below for you guys. But all of their limited edition ones always sell out. They also have an advent calendar, which I've got just there. I'll link my video somewhere for you guys, where I unbox the whole thing, and I also have a giveaway of stuff from the calendar. So yeah, I'll leave that for you guys as well. But let's jump into this. Very excited for this one. So I have never had anything by Zoeva before, but this is a collab, and it says, hey Glossies, it's time to feel empowered and celebrate your authentic individual beauty with our extra special limited edition from Zoeva. Famous for our iconic handmade brushes, Zoeva has since expanded into making its own luscious makeup products. I first heard about Zoeva brushes from my friend Claire, who is Diary of a Beauty Geek. She really rates them, and she is banging at makeup, so they must be good. Featuring 6 full-size products, expect to discover incredibly glamorous liquid lipstick, a pearlescent highlighting gel, ooh, and all the tools you need to create show-stopping eye looks. And then it tells you what is inside. But let's just jump in. I'm so excited. I had no idea I was getting this one. Wow, it looks beautiful. So the first thing I've got is a palette. This is Coco Blend eyeshadow palette. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. There was a palette from Zoeva actually in the advent calendar. This stunning eyeshadow palette boasts 10 warm truffle tones. Oh my god, that sounds like my fave. Apply with your Zoeva eyeshadow fix onto your lid to start to create a beautiful look. This is £21. Let's have a little look. So it slides out. Oh, it's so pretty. Does it smell? No, it doesn't. Sometimes eyeshadows smell. Look at those colours. They are like the perfect everyday colours. So we've got matte. So we've got, that one's a little bit, a tiny bit of glitter. We've got 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. So that is beautiful. I don't know how much this box is even. So I'll put all the, well, I'll literally put all the information down below for you guys, because I have no idea. Next I've got a Strobe Gel. Oh, I love the packaging. It's very chic and simple. It feels expensive. This is Strobe Gel, £13. A luminescent glow to your, add a luminescent glow to your complexion with this strobing gel and its gold shimmering pearlescent formula. Lightweight recipe melts effortlessly into your skin. Let's have a look. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's have a little rub on that. Oh, it's very pretty. It's a golden shimmer. Very reflective and pretty. Excited to try that. And I think you can probably sheer that out because I'm very pale. I think if you could build it to make it so it is gold if you've got a deeper skin tone, but for me it was very pale, you can sheer it out, and that looks really pretty. So much in here. What are you? An eyeliner. This is Where are you? Graphic Eyes Black to Earth eyeliner, £9, offering the best of both worlds. This incredible eyeliner pairs the smoothness of a liquid liner with the easy application of a traditional pencil. Oh my god, that is literally the softest eyeliner. Like, there's barely any pressure. And look how black that is. Oh, I'm excited to try that. I bet that's a good smudger. That'll be a really nice one. You can smudge it out easily, which I like, and then you can make like a really nice easy smoky eye. Literally just do it and then smudge straight away. That is my plan, and then it doesn't matter if it looks messy. I am not good at eyeliner, so lovely. Next I've got a Pure Matte Lips Dare to Dream. This is, this looks like a mauvey nude. This liquid lipstick is what dreams are made of. Not only does it coat your palette in a gorgeous velvety smooth formula that sets a gorgeous matte finish, it is long wearing, transfer free and long lasting finish. This is £11. It's literally my favourite lipstick ever is an e.l.f. one that's called Tea Rose, and this looks identical. I'm going to put it on. I love me a nude. That is so nice. You can see up there nude. That went on really easy. I apologise about the application, but I'm using a viewfinder instead of a mirror. That is lovely. Next we've got an eyeshadow fix, which is £9. Eyeshadow Primer is a secret to long-lasting, vibrant eye looks, enriched with rice silk, vitamin E, which I know helps smooth your skin. It helps create a perfect canvas. So you dab it on your eyelid and then you do your eyeshadow over it. It's very thick. It's just here, and it's like a very, very thick concealer. It feels like it's got dimethicone in it. It feels a bit silicone-y. Yeah, dimethicone is like the 4th ingredient, so it's a silicone based eye primer, which will be a really nice base to do your eyeshadow. And that is literally just, I've tapped it in and then it's set, so that's lovely. There's no like sticky residue. Some of them you get like sticky and then you end up with like blobs of eyeshadow. So cute. I love the wormies in it, are like all holographic. So cute. And then last up is a travel brush set. I'm so excited for this. This is £22. A collection of 4 handmade professional eye makeup brushes is perfect on the go. The set includes a concealer buffer for applying and blending, a crease brush for blending eyeshadow, a smoky shader, and a brow brush. Ooh! So it comes in a little travel bag. And then there's 4 little brushes. Let's have a little, let me get my goggles off and have a little, they're nice and soft. So that is your Luxe crease brush. We've got a really stubby little eyeshadow brush, which eyebrow brush, which I love. My favourite eyeshadow brush is a little stubby one like this. I can't be doing with the big ones. I like a little one, so then you can get really precise. And then we've got, are you the concealer? Oh no, that's a smoky shadow brush. So like, you want to pack on colour. And then we've got the concealer brush, a little fluffy. To be honest, I'd probably use that as well for like blending out. So those are the 4 little brushes. They're really cute. They feel really nice and sturdy. I think them and the Lippy. Lippy's probably my favourite because I am a sucker for this kind of nude colour. But it's all beautiful. I'll do a video on the palette because that is just so pretty. That's like my perfect everyday kind of colours. So I will do a video on that. Thanks so much to Glossy for sending me this, especially when I didn't know I was getting it. That's even more exciting. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm running the giveaway, like I said. I am doing one giveaway every single day of December for Vlogmas. And yeah, that's going to be very exciting, so stick around for that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.